In this Korean-inspired recipe, I'm going to show you the secrets to get oven baked full of the bone hot ribs. They are coated with a hot sweet and sour sauce. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. You can find this list and other recipes on my website, cookingwithmorgane.com. First, in a saucepan, put 1 kilogram of ribs with 100 grams of ginger cut into chunks, 30 grams crushed and peeled garlic, 2 teaspoons of salt, 10 centiliters of light soy sauce, and 2 liters of water. Put a lid. Let cook for an hour and a half. Start heating over high fire. Just before boiling, lower the fire to a minimum. Now, prepare the hot, sweet and sour sauce. For that, cut 70 grams of ginger. Put them in a blender. 15 grams of garlic. Also put them in the blender. Chop them finely. Put them in a bowl. Then add 1 tablespoon of Korean chili powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of sesame seeds, 3 tablespoons of Korean chili paste, 3 tablespoons of apricot jam, 1 tablespoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of white rice vinegar. Combine all together. Preheat the oven to 410 degrees. Mince 1 spring onion. Put aluminum foil in the baking tray. Take out the ribs from the broth. Put them in the baking tray. Generously brush both sides of the ribs with the sauce. First, bake them in the oven for 15 minutes with their thick side up. Then, brush the 2 sides again. This time, bake the ribs with the thinner side up for 10 minutes. Take out the tray and turn on the oven grill. Brush again both sides with the sauce. Bake for 5 to 7 minutes, thick side up. Flip the meat, and this time, for the last baking of 5 to 7 minutes, only brush the thin side with the sauce. Cut the ribs. Serve them with homemade French fries. Sprinkle with the spring onion. Bon appétit! The cooking of the meat in the broth makes it very tender. It becomes melting and fold off the bone even after grill. It also allows the sauce to penetrate better into the flesh. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.